it's quite easy that whatever you learn from here, then immediately you can apply online. I worked about 38 years in civil service, but in completely different field. I was doing maritime transport, salvage, emergency preparedness. So after I retired, I decided to embark on new thing. So this is where Equinet Academy come and help me to pursue my post-retirement activities. I took 3 courses. The first one was press website creation. Second one search engine optimization. Third one is digital marketing strategy. So I think that's all quite enough to cover what I want to do now. Very much. First and foremost, I think it gave me a lot of self-confidence to go and take up new challenges, especially for my age. If I want to do digital thing, it's very challenging. So Equinet gave me that confidence. It's more than enough. Like the previous cases, when I had problem, I call back, and I think all of them happily help me. Even something which is outside of the topic, for example, I only learn about how to charge. You know, I'm having this website, I'm charging this much, is it reasonable or not? So he advised me appropriately, and even one time I remember we met downstairs and just have a coffee. So this, I think, is those value-added services that Equinet provided, which gave us more confidence because we are only looking at you to more or less guide us. And if we can get this guidance like billing, like pricing, like how to overcome certain problems, then it's easier for us.